Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kesangma ulawan ban sakhilang ya ke jingle Lehniam Shwa ban tep ya kupa bakoi upu Francis hab Vatican haka arpon reu terek uyayong araja arpusan. Dak beas nokti lang bat ki lakngot ki be shembenta St. Peter's Square u Menteri Rangba ke Jela ulapen pau ke jigsngo buram bashikat dei ya upu. Ulaong bau smuyo jingkerku ban don lang hakani ke jingle Lehniam Shwa ban tep ya ke basa jong upu Francis dak be thu bau lay kendo ya upu ars nam Shwa. Menta kesngi ha ke jingle Lehniam ya ka basa jongpop Shwa bantam kumba ujule ha kapor budang u Pynīatylli ya ki Briew la ong Konrad ubala benrap bagi Briew na keleng ka perthai ki wan ban ai khublei yopop ha ke jingle cha Vatican yo Menteri Rangba ke Jela la senran lang dau ba Daniel Thankio ubreu officer on special duty but political secretary Konrad ulai kendo yopo Francis ha Vatican hau nok pra jong senam araja arpuar ha kabaula kerpat yopo pan bo jing duai na kabenta ka Jela kari bat kinong shong snong.
I feel truly blessed today to be part of the funeral service of Pope Francis. I had the opportunity to meet him a couple of years back, and today to be part of the funeral service is very solemn, and I truly feel very, very blessed. And today, even on his funeral, like he did when he was alive, he united people, and even today in his funeral he has united people. People from all over the world today have come to pay their respects to Pope Francis. We will miss him, and may his soul rest in eternal peace.
Habatin pej bahagi kishab kashab plus F
ka plus F
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai khan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mantoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F manta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya